Do you ever bevel your objects in Blender and this happens? Well, I'm gonna give you 4 ways to fix that.
Does this ever happen to you when you bevel your Blender objects? How you fix it is in the settings, go into geometry and set miter outer to arc. And this fixes your problem, and I can shade it smooth and build the rest of your scene. When you bevel your objects, this happens. Press Ctrl A and then click on scale, and that fixes it. And you try to bring up the amount on the bevel, and this happens. Don't worry, there's a fix to this too. Let's go into geometry and enable clamp overlap. Now there's nothing you can do to make it go outside of these bounds, unless you uncheck clamp overlap. Don't you just hate it when you try to apply a bevel modifier, this happens. Because you have clamp overlap enabled, you have a very small bevel. This is usually because you have very dense geometry that is useless. So press X and click on limited dissolve. This will fix the amount of polygons in your mesh, but it will mess with the geometry. So only do this if you really need it. And now if you lower it to a reasonable amount, we have a better bevel. Yay!